Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. These episodes are exercises episodes of my all techniques episode. Okay, I'm not explaining any techniques here. I'm just doing exercises to show how to use Abacus. Okay, if you want to learn techniques in detail, you have to watch another episodes. Please check my playlist or description box. Episodes are in Nepali, English and Hindi. Please do not comment on my English language, okay? I'm not a good English speaker, so I'm trying to improve my English. Hope one day I can speak English without any mistakes. Amen. This is that question is on your screen. This is my small beautiful hand abacus which I'm going to use to do these exercises, and I'm going to use from this rod because I don't have sufficient rods here. So this is last rod I'm going to use from here. Okay, make zero position. Question number 1. Place 2, 1, 21. Place 8, 9, 89. Place 2, 4, 24. Place 7, 6, 76. And minus 8, 6, 86. 1, 2, 4. 124 is your answer. Okay, so I'm using how to borrow 10 techniques, how to borrow 100 techniques, how to borrow 5, how to borrow 10, and 3-step addition and subtraction, all these techniques to do these exercises. Okay, question number 2. 32 plus 70 and 8 plus 22 plus 78 again minus 77. 133 133 is your answer. Question number 3. 1 6 16. Add 9 191 minus 6 5 65. Add 9 8 98 minus 3 9 39. 101 101 is your answer. Question number 4. 7 9 79 minus 5 6 56. Add 8 7 87. Add 7 8 78 minus 99 8 9 89 is your answer. Question number 5. 5 1 51 2 3 23 9 6 96 minus 9 8 98 and add 9 8 98. 170 170 is your answer. Question number 6. 9 9 99. Reduce or minus 6 7 67. Add 78 minus 86. Add 1 9 19 and 4 3 43 is your answer. Question number 7. 4 1 41 60 9 69. Reduce 79. Add 5 9 59. Reduce 2 and 7 27. 6 3 63 is your answer. Question number 8. 6 2 62. 9 8 98. 5 7 minus 57. 6 7. Add 67 minus 18. 1 8 18. 1 5 to 152 is your answer. Question number 9. 82 Add 9 5 95. 9 5 95. Reduce 69. 6 9 69. Reduce 76. This is 70 and 6. Add 78. This is 70 and this is 8. 110 is your answer. Please do this exercise by yourself and please comment me through the messenger if you have any difficulties. Okay, you can text me in my inbox also, and please do not comment on my English language, and keep watching, keep learning, and see you in next episode. Tada.